Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of first problem from exercise 3.1 from pair of linear equations in two variables from NCERT class 10. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So here there are two persons, Aftab and his daughter. So let Aftab and his daughter's present ages be x and y years. So here present ages are x and y. So 7 years ago means 7 years before their ages were x minus 7 and y minus 7. This is Aftab's age and y minus 7 is his daughter's age. So 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. That means I means here Aftab. Aftab's age was 7 times his daughter's age. So algebraically we can represent like this. 7 years ago x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. That is x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. Then x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. That is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. So this is first equation. Next 3 years from now, that means after 3 years, Aftab's age will be x plus 3 and his daughter's age will be y plus 3. So 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times. So Aftab's age is 3 times his daughter's age. So algebraically we can represent like this: x plus 3 is equal to 3 times his daughter's age after 3 years. So 3 into y plus 3, that is x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Therefore x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3, that is 6. So this is second equation. Now we have to represent this situation graphically. For that we have to find at least two solutions for each equation. So the first equation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. So if x is equal to 0, you can calculate y value like this: minus 7y is equal to minus 42 minus x. So y is equal to 42 plus x by 7. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 42 plus 0 by 7, that is 6. And if x is equal to minus 7, then y is equal to 42 minus 7 by 7, that is 5. So here you have to take the x values as if you apply that values, it is divisible by 7. Then it is easy to find the coordinates, y coordinates. So here x is equal to 0, then it is divisible by 42 is divisible by 7. So that value is 6, y value is 6. And if x is equal to minus 7, then 42 minus 7, that is 35. So it is also divisible by 7. So the coordinates here are 0, 6 and minus 7 and 5. Next equation is x minus 3y is equal to 6. So if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6 by minus 3, that is minus 2. And if x is equal to minus 3, then y is equal to 6 plus 3. 6 minus of minus 3, that is 6 plus 3 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. So the coordinates here are 0, minus 2 and minus 3, minus 3. So now you have to put these coordinates on the graph. So for that you have to draw x and y axis first. Then mark the points 1, 2, 3 on x-axis on right side, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this. And downside again minus negative numbers, and here positive numbers. Then the first coordinate is 0, 6. So 0, the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. So 0, 6 is this point. And next one is minus 7, 5. So minus 7 x coordinate here, and 5 is y coordinate. So minus 7, 5 this coordinate. Then join these 2 points, then you will get x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. And similarly, if you mark these points minus 3 and 0, minus 2, and this is x minus 3y is equal to 6.